In October, my sugar cravings went through the roof. I was eating way too many desserts, and I even started drinking diet soda, which is something that I don't typically do. So after Halloween, I decided to challenge myself to a little sugar detox. So for 1 week, I decided to go without any sugar, without any added sugars, artificial or natural sweeteners, and with no fruit. For the record, I have a huge sweet tooth. I can't go even a single day without a dessert. I knew this challenge would be tough, so I decided to be flexible when it comes to fruit. If things get too crazy, I will definitely allow myself a piece of fruit here and there. But in the beginning, I want to go all in, or at least try. My number one reason is to reduce my sugar cravings and just take control of my body. I know that sugar can be addictive, and I'm hoping that by going 1 week without any sugar, my body will stop depending on it for energy so much and will stop craving it. I also took my measurements, but it's just 1 week. I'm not really expecting to see any major weight loss or any weight loss for that matter, but I will definitely track my progress and I'll let you guys know if I see any difference. I was also researching other benefits of quitting sugar, and a few more popped up, like increased energy, increased focus, and reduced inflammation. And I will try to monitor those as much as I can, and I will let you know if I see any difference in these departments too. So since day one and every single day of this challenge, the hardest thing for me was having my coffee without any sweetener. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 of the sugar-free challenge, and I'm about to drink my coffee, which honestly has been the saddest moment of the day because I love having my coffee with like caramel syrup and just make it fun and delicious. And it's still good, but it's just not the same. I wasn't looking forward to my coffee anymore. It just wasn't enjoyable to me at all. And I'm someone who generally really likes coffee, so that's saying something. And then of course there were a bunch of other minor inconveniences. So for dinner, I'm gonna be having a pizza on a tortilla. And I'm really sad because I can't have my ranch because it has sugar in it. So, hope I survive. Hi guys, it's day 3. I made myself this like breakfast wrap that is like really good. And I just realized that I can't have ketchup. And I'm so sad. And I feel like these little things are the hardest thing, like ketchup, not being able to have ketchup, or not being able to have sweetener in my coffee. That's literally what I miss the most. I know it's not the healthiest, but I feel like it just makes me happy. It just makes my food more delicious and my coffee more delicious. So it's like really hard now. It's really good, but I feel like with ketchup, it would have been perfect. But, you know, we're doing a challenge. Hey guys, it's Friday. I'm eating eggs and bacon without ketchup, and it's a very sad day. I really miss ketchup and I really miss my coffee caramel syrup. But it's Friday and I am debating on whether I should end the no sugar challenge today or on Sunday. We'll see. I'm very tempted. This week has been very stressful. I feel like I owe myself some fun on the weekend. Another area where I struggled a lot were the snacks. Hi guys, it's 5:30. I just came home from work. I'm feeling okay for day 1. I haven't had anything sweet. I definitely missed it, but I still feel okay. I was bummed out at some point today because I had brought these Trader Joe's nuts with me to work, and then I realized there's sugar in them, so I couldn't eat them. So that was a little bit sad, but other than that, I'm doing pretty much okay. I can't eat any of my snacks because they all have added sugar, even the savory ones. I can actually eat this and also this chips from Trader Joe's. It doesn't have added sugar, so these are some options.
So I basically snacked on cheese every single day, and that's fine, but I wouldn't normally eat as much cheese as I ate during this week, only because it was a safe choice. Another thing that was really challenging for me was not having dessert after dinner.
So my husband is about to eat ice cream and I can't have any and I'm so sad.
I also had one slip up because this is something that I eat regularly and I believed in my head that it didn't have any added sugars, but it actually did.
This is a falafel salad bowl, and these beans in the corner had a few grams of added sugar, and I realized that after I ate them. But you know what? It happens. It's fine.
There has been reaction to today's election news from the markets. Let's go to CNN's Julia Chatterley, who can tell us more. Julia, how...
First of all, why did I pick election week for this challenge? It was the dumbest idea ever because it was such a stressful week and I needed comfort food, let's be honest. But anyways, let's talk about the benefits. So when it comes to reduced sugar cravings, I felt a difference 1000%. And it just felt amazing to have control over that again. Don't get me wrong, like every day I had moments where I was like, man, I would love to have something sweet right now. But it wasn't like I have to have it. I was like, yes, it would be nice to have dessert right now, but I don't have to have it. I'm gonna be completely fine if I don't have any dessert. So when it comes to weight loss, I wasn't expecting to see any difference, but I did. I lost half an inch off my waist and a whole inch off my abs. And this is actually kind of amazing to me because I didn't really work out a lot this week. I only did like 2 or 3 workouts, and my workouts are really low key, like 30 to 40 minutes, nothing crazy. I also wasn't eating very well this week because election, it was stressful and I couldn't like restrict myself, and I don't want to restrict myself just in general. I don't believe in that. In terms of increased energy and better focused, I didn't feel any difference, but this is not something that I generally struggle with, so there really wasn't anything to improve on. So will I continue this challenge? The short answer is no, but also yes. And let me explain because I know I'm not making any sense right now. I know that I would see a lot more of the benefits if I did this challenge for at least a month. But to be completely honest with you guys, I can't. Just because the way that I did it, I think was too extreme and it shouldn't be done long term. And I'm talking about not including any fruit. If I am to do this challenge again, which I'm willing to do, I will definitely add fruit back in as my only source of sugar. But this challenge definitely inspired me to reduce my sugar intake, and I fully believe that I can do it. It just showed me that I'm not dependent on sugar and I can totally live my life and feel good without as much sugar. I'm not planning on changing the way that I drink my coffee. I will still use sweetener. I will still use ketchup and ranch in my food. But I think that I can definitely reduce the amount of desserts and candy and sweets that I'm consuming. Maybe I can replace those with fruit or healthier, like lower sugar options. I hope this video was interesting for you guys to watch. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. You have no idea. Make sure you subscribe if you are into healthy lifestyle and wellness content. I post every single week and I would love to have you guys on my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!